out.
Flying line of sight with a buddy here with 3 cameras, just to give you an idea of what the experience of flying safely can be like on the beach and some of the decisions a pilot makes when he's in the air. So hope you enjoy it, something a bit different. The nose cam is feeding back a signal to a ground station or goggles, and the flight controller overlays telemetry information on top. So on my left hand side top screen, the bar at the top just shows the strength of the signal from the nose cam. And on the left hand side I've got the altitude, the distance from the home point where it took off from, battery, how much voltage on average on each cell of the battery, and link quality. That's that 100% is good. As it drops it's lower. And turning to the right hand side you've got the number of satellites with a little bird symbol, and below that you've got the kilometres an hour thing that's going on, and below that you have flight mode. As I say, this entire flight's in angle mode, but normally I'd change to macro for more control, and later I'll be putting it on the elapsed flight time. So with everything that's going on here and 2 pairs of eyes on the bird,
turning back now.
It's a pretty safe process, particularly compared to light aircraft,
I see
where
the car.
unfortunately we have fatalities every week in Australia. But there's very few reports of any problems with drones, despite the initial hysteria when they first became popular.
I'm coming back towards us, I'm pretty high, 75 metres.
10 minutes.
Yeah, no, north.
50, 51.
So it should turn.
25,
That's
51.
good.
Let me know when you go south.
Yeah. So I'm turning, but I'm still very, very north.
See that first bit?
Yeah. Interference there.
Can't come down the middle of the beach.
Yeah. I see it. Aiming for the car.
3 minutes.
Getting down low.
Heading north again, following the car.
Yeah,
I see 2 cars there.
I can see it. Spot on at the moment. Heading north now. There's a car and a bicycle.
I see them. I was over the sea away from them, climbing.
4 minutes.
See north?
Still north, just turning above the walkway down to the beach.
Oh, yeah.
50, 51.
Coming back towards us.
Yep. Beautiful. That's it. Nobody on the beach in front of you.
Good.
5 minutes.
Fresh air. You're low, you're low. That's it. Just bunched up a bit. Right, a fraction. Right.
Coming back in now. I see this.
Six minutes.
I should be alright.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm okay.